As part of this celebration, the Board of Trustees created a unique medal, an award to honor and to pay tribute to the outstanding achievements and contributions of graduating students. During the spring convocation, the Board of Trustees' Spirit of Brock Medal is awarded to undergraduate and graduate students who best exemplify the spirit of Sir Isaac Brock. Students who demonstrate any one of these qualities of leadership, courage, innovation, inspiration, and community involvement have been recommended to receive this reward by their respective peers and by the faculty dean. Today, I have the honor to present the Board of Trustees Spirit of Brock Medal to Faculty of Applied Health Sciences undergraduate student Saumik Biswas and Faculty of Applied Health Sciences graduate student Sarah Kennedy, as well as Faculty of Math and Sciences undergraduate student Rachel Isedowo and Faculty of Math and Sciences graduate student Drew Marquardt. Saumik, Sarah, Rachel, and Drew, please come forward to receive your awards. Okay, Sean, congratulations. Thank you. I'll put this over here. Congratulations again. Sarah. Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Stay on stage. Drew. You meant to have the box too. Okay. Drew, congratulations. Stay here. And Rachel. Congratulations. Okay. Got a lot of hardware here to manage. I've asked the graduates to stay on stage as I say a few words about each of them. Saumik Biswas is a graduate of the BSc in Medical Sciences. He has accumulated over 3 hours of volunteer involvement in a number of social and health-related services in the Niagara region. Specifically, Saumik was co-founder and president of Brock's UNICEF chapter, where he led a team toward a highly successful fundraising campaign resulting in $4,000 in donations to UNICEF Canada. His skills have also been evident in his participation as a writer and managing editor of Brock Health, an information-based magazine by the students of the programs at the Department of Health Sciences. He's been involved in MedPlus and has volunteered with the Niagara Health Unit, the Niagara Health System, and Hospice Niagara. After volunteering numerous hours in the emergency room focusing on bridging the communication gap between healthcare professionals and patients, Saumik became a Brock team leader where he trained and managed a group of 20 MedPlus volunteer students. He's also been involved in the I-Equip Quality Program. Saumik has consistently demonstrated strong leadership skills and high levels of commitment to his community. He's been an excellent ambassador for the Department of Health Sciences, the Faculty of Applied Health Sciences, and Brock University. He's an outstanding candidate for the Spirit of Brock Medal as he showcases all of the characteristics of the award. Please give Saumik a round of applause. Sarah Kennedy, could you step forward? Sarah Kennedy. As an undergraduate and graduate student at Brock University, Sarah Kennedy represents the best of our students. She's been a true leader in both the university and Niagara community, focusing on improving health and wellness. She's been involved in many programs in the university and is a familiar face to members of the zone, first as a trainer, and later as a supervisor in the fitness center. However, Sarah has also been involved in numerous on-campus fitness programs. She was an instructor in the PALS and Summer Sport Camp for Children. She volunteered with a Special Needs Activities Program and Autism Camp for individuals with special needs. She worked in the Brock Senior Fit exercise program for several years, and beyond school itself, Sarah's also been highly involved in promoting fitness in the community at large. She is now a registered kinesiologist working at a physiotherapy clinic in St. Catharines, and is also a supervisor at the Brock Niagara Center for Health and Wellbeing, overseeing not just the Senior Fit program, but also the Heartstrong, Power Cord, and team programs. As an undergraduate student and as a graduate of the master's program here at Brock, she has never wavered from her desire to help others and promote health to all. She's been a true leader promoting health and fitness to all. Please give Sarah a round of applause. Rachel, could you step forward? Rachel Isedowo immigrated to Canada with her family as a high school student, and she had to meet the challenges of social and cultural acclimatization along with the academic demands of her new school. While still struggling with this cultural integration, at Brock, Rachel found community volunteering as a way to connect and integrate into her various communities. And over the course of her BSc degree, has given a considerable amount of her personal time to volunteering. This includes peer tutoring at Brock University, teaching 5 to 8-year-old children at a nonprofit organization, the Shaver Hospital, Canadian Blood Services, an executive member of the Destiny Group, which encourages young adults in Niagara to make a positive influence on their community, and a free tutoring program for Brock and Niagara students with limited financial means. During this time, Rachel has successfully fulfilled all of the obligations of a demanding and rigorous academic program in biomedical sciences. Her professor, Jeff Stewart, has been very impressed with her abilities and has hired her to work in his research laboratory this summer, based on what he has identified as a significant aptitude for research in the sciences. As a new Canadian, Rachel has courageously met the challenges of social and cultural integration and proven to be an ideal, well-rounded student with academic ability, character, and fortitude, and is the most worthy recipient of the Spirit of Brock Award. Please give Rachel a round of applause. Drew, could you step forward? Drew Marquardt is an outstanding candidate for the Spirit of Brock Award. Drew is one of the first Vanier of Canada graduate scholarship winners at Brock University and is the first person to complete studies in the PhD program in physics. His thesis work on the binding of vitamin E to receptor proteins required facility with the disciplines of physics, chemistry, and biology, and has resulted in more than 10 refereed journal articles, a truly outstanding achievement. Drew's ability as a tutorial leader are simply top-notch, as stated by the chair of the physics department. He always finds the right balance between what to explain and what to leave for the student to discover. He is clear and precise, he never fudges, and he managed to extract a level of performance from his students that often surprises them. With respect to leadership, the chair notes, on more than one occasion, Drew has initiated an interdisciplinary efforts that yielded a collaboration between research groups from chemistry and physics that had never collaborated before. He recognized an opportunity, brought people together, and the fit seemed so natural that it's difficult to understand why it had not happened before. This is a mark, not just of a terrific, active, and persistent researcher, but also of a capable, natural leader. Drew has represented the department in a variety of public venues and is a perfect example of what a graduate student should be like in skill and commitment. Please give Drew a round of applause. Congratulations.